Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody was inspired by one of my videos about pinstriping, and they're using the Symmetry tool, which is only available in X8 and more, or above. So here's our Symmetry. I don't know why it's not in the center of the page. That's good enough. And I've got it set on 2. Something's wrong with my screen. But he was inspired by, he took his freehand tool, he was trying to draw like an airbrush, which you'll find out real quick if you have any artistic ability. And then you could actually take it and, take the shape tool and get rid of that node. And, well, you wouldn't want to get rid of that node, but make it maybe a little more rounder, a little more uniform, maybe take rid of that node. Anyway, then he's using the artistic media tool and he sets it on there, and as always, you got to go up or down on the scale. Well, that's way too thick. But what he's getting is, he's getting this, and then he could always go and change that. But what he has, it has right here, it's this one right here, show full view preview. So that's what you're going to get if that's what you're looking for. And I think that what his problem is, you can always, you can see it's almost like the clone tool. And this would be a very good point to use for drawing hairlines, because you could see what it looks like before you, get out of this. And that's pretty cool. And then when you're finished, and you're ready to go. Now, every time you do this, it'll pop up. So if you go to Object, and probably a way to get out of this, let's do it again. I think it's break the link. There you go. And now it won't come up anymore. Now that's gone. So that would be now, just a suggestion to all of you. If you ever do that, you need to ungroup it, because there is that original line is still there. Maybe you can't see it in this one. There it is. So you need to delete that original line. Well, that won't work. Maybe we gotta ungroup it again using the pick tool. Break the objects apart. There you go. And then you can take that middle line and delete it, because it could cause you problems down the road. If somebody asked me one time, well, what kind of problems could it cause you? Well, if you turn this into an outline, and I just welded it together, so now we have just 2 sections, and that line that you drew is a cut line, it could go back and cut that. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.